Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to get true stretch resolution on Valorant. Now in Fortnite, stretch resolution isn't allowed because I don't know why, but they don't let you do 4:3 or 5:4 or anything like that, or any of the resolution that makes a stretch res. In Valorant, that is allowed. If I go to my general over here and make it full screen. Oh my bad. From here, if I go into more, as you can see, these are stretch resolution. Now, some people might say these are not true stretch resolution because of how the character model does not get stretched out. So if you go here, as you can see, everything seems, I don't know, kind of stretched out. I'm not sure how you're gonna take that as, but for me, at least it looks kind of more focused in the middle, right? But these character models, as you can see, these shapes, look at the screen right now, the shapes like that. If I go into 920 times 1080, it stays the same. Now why does it stay the same? That's because that's how Valorant was created to be, so that no one can get a disadvantage. That's about it, honestly.
I'm out of here.
And yeah, that's about it. True stretch res is basically this. You can't get your view models to get stretched, because if it's gotta be a code. If the devs don't code it out or remove that code, you can't get that stretched doll view model basically. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.